Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am making some chicken. You can see I have boiled the chicken. It's a Kienyeji chicken, ngumu sana, and I've boiled it with my pressure cooker. So I'm frying it. So after adding the Kienyeji chicken into the onion, I'll add my some hohos and hoho, and then you stir. So for my chicken, these are the spices that I love using. Garam masala, I'm a lover of garam masala. We have the cumin, of course I'll do the dark superior soy sauce, I'll do the paprika, and then some black pepper kidogo too, because you know black pepper it can be kali kidogo, and I have a child. Yes, so I will put all this in a kambakuri, and then I add into my chicken. So guys, I have added the spices in my chicken, my Kienyeji chicken. So now I'm going to add the onions, not onions but the tomatoes. I'll add the tomatoes, and then I will cover it for some time. So it's time now to add the garlic. Yeah, you can see my garlic. So I'll add like 3 of them. So after adding the saumu, the garlic, you can see now my chicken is, yeah. So we recover it. It's cooking. We recover it kidogo for it to boil. It's almost getting ready. It's almost getting ready. So it has boiled enough. Yeah. So the last step is putting some dania. And of course, once you add dania and stir, actually it's called garnishing. What you do, you put it off. Don't cook danias. Yes. So these are the end results for my Kienyeji chicken, guys. Yes, ni tamu sana sana. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Yeah, please don't forget to like. I'm sure you are wondering what I'm gonna take this chicken with. So I am mother of ugali. I love ugali so much. So that is my ugali, and you can see the chicken and then some greens that I'm going to steam. Yes, and I'm done for the supper. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Those who are watching and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. At least I get to 500 subscribers. Yeah, as we journey together in this journey of content. Thank you so much guys, and I love you so much. Bye. Thank you.